contract packager had just been purchased by a private equity company and needed to quickly improve their packaging line efficiencies. Unfortunately, they had already spent the money the private equity company had provided. A team of Frain engineers visited their facility and provided recommendations for plug-and-play equipment that would triple their production efficiency. Once Frain received the customer's product samples, they quickly assembled the necessary equipment from their inventory of over 8,000 machines. Frain customized each piece for optimum efficiency and demonstrated them running their products. By utilizing Frain's pay-as-you-go financing program, they were able to pay for the line improvements from increased cash flow. Frain's plug-and-play machinery went right to work, giving them the efficiency they were looking for. Are you looking to squeeze incremental cash flow out of your packaging lines? Talk to one of Frain's experienced engineers about bringing in custom plug-and-play equipment.